Method to fix upside down or flipped images in WordPress. Method 1. WordPress Media Library. Click on Media Library in the left-hand menu to access the WordPress Media Library and rotate or flip an image. The image you want to rotate can then be clicked after it has been flipped or turned upside down. WordPress will now display some fundamental editing options for the image, including the ability to add title attributes and image alt text. Select the Edit Image option to flip or rotate the image. To rotate the image clockwise, click the Rotate Right button. Click the Rotate Left button instead to rotate the image counterclockwise. The image can also be turned vertically. Click the Flip Vertical option to accomplish this. You can experiment with the parameters until you're satisfied with how the image appears because the live preview will refresh automatically. Once done, save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the image. If you make a mistake when changing the image, keep hitting the Undo button to reverse each adjustment until you're satisfied with the result. Click the link to learn more.